Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna be playing our Minecraft world. Hopefully this one's not trying to attack me right now, because I'm gonna try to figure out what's the problem with all the zombies spawning under my house, or something. If it might be zombies spawning under my house, or there might not be enough lighting in the house. But all I know is I broke the two doors, and hopefully that fixes it. And we're also just be gathering some food and everything today, and making some better stuff and upgrading our place a little bit. And maybe making a guard tower or something so we can make our base a little bit more protected. And we might, remember that spider spawner that we had? I might try to upgrade that to a mob grinder or something, because I remember in the nether we found some. You know what? I will explain the rest in the video. And let me get started but let me do something very quick. Start. Okay. Here, let me take off my shield. So I will fix that problem here in a little bit. Wait, we have pumpkins. Do we have any? Wait, so another. No, we do not. Okay, let's go look for some. But very quick, let's get these pumpkins. Hopefully y'all like the music. I might change it for tomorrow's video. Yep, staircase. Of course, I didn't bring any blocks with me. Actually, I did bring a few pumpkins. Oh yeah, it's this way. Okay. Don't know why this was made. Oh yeah, now I remember. It was so then we can get some stuff. So so we can get some nether rack. Pretty sure that's what it's called. So let's get some of these and let's build down there very quick, so we can get some more bones. So then we can make I can make a automatic tree farm. But I'd have to make that off video. Ooh, there's also some magma over there that we need. Well, turns out I didn't really need to build anything, but good to have a few blocks anyways. And if you're wondering why I'm trying to collect mushrooms, the reason why is because mushroom stew. That and skeletons are the only reason why this biome is actually really helpful at all. And I'm thinking we can also make a house here or something. Well, I guess bones is a good reason. Like, for the bone blocks is a good reason to also spawn here. Gold over there. Let's break that block. So, yeah, this brings us right over here. Now let's go up here. Skeletons do not pay attention to me. I'm just a regular human being. Let's break this block. This is my little wall of protection. Oh, guys, there's tons of those type of mushrooms over there, though. Here, let's get some. Let's go over here. If you see me doing it in this like type of style, is because I kind of like being organized, even whenever I don't need to be organized. Yep, definitely messed this thing up. Well, anyways. Oh, we got quite a bit of magma. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now that we got that, we got a more protectful wall. Let's grab this mushroom. Let's put on the shield. Skeleton, can you just not pay attention to me? Come on, I just want the mushrooms. Should I go kill it? Because I feel like I should. You know what? Why not? There's also a forest right over there. Bones. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Soul sand. Let's go see what's over here. There's a basalt biome over there, I think. I think this would be a good place for my house. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find that spider spawner. Don't even remember where it is. I just need your armor. Dang it, you didn't give me any armor. Wait, how did I get a map? If you're wondering why I'm killing them, it's for meat. Didn't mean to look at my inventory, but still worked out. Could use these for trading with piglins. So now I have a way to getting over to there. Which way was it? I think it was this way that I needed to go. Yep. Now, which way was it? Towards the house. So that's there. Yep. Nope. Was it over here? Alright, we're gonna do that. To make it look less like a regular cave. I just wanna let y'all know, I do no stuff off camera most of the time. I normally only do stuff while I'm recording. Okay, so we got quite a bit of meat, quite a bit of gold nuggets, arrows, bow that's almost broken. Hopefully we can get another bow from this guy down here. Nope, if anything we just got arrows. Nether portal, here we go. Okay, so now that we've gone mining, let's go cook this meat. And then after we go cook the meat, let's make some mushroom stew. Yeah, I forgot I don't have a crafting table on there anymore. There, now we have that. I'm gonna make some seeds with this. So now we can go plant the rest of those seeds over here. Now let's go put these up. Seeds there. Yeah, put them up. So let's put these in here. Now let's make some bones. Oh wait, this can only be made into bone meal. Alright, but that's at least still what we needed anyway, so. Do I have any more of those? Yes, I do. Now, this is The things are technically food. We have a food chest, right? Yep. So let's put those up there. Oh, I didn't realize how much cooked meat we have. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put these up. Put these in here. That's not done cooking yet. Now, let's go try to find that mob spawner. Wait, I forgot, I'm gonna need a few buckets of water. I should probably put some of this stuff up, so then if I do die, I don't lose it all. But I don't really care if I do lose it, so... I sound pretty careless whenever I say it like that. That could be one of the reasons why mobs are spawning under my house. Okay. So. The thing is, I do not remember which way the mob spawner was. So that's gonna end up being a problem. Wait, found it. Let's go ahead and take this. I just realized I didn't bring everything that I needed. Let's probably get rid of the shield so it's not in front of my face. Now, we're not gonna place this down yet, just quite yet, because I don't want these torches to break. Then spiders start spawning all over the place. But in the meantime, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I have just the right amount of buckets. Let's block that up right there. Let's. This looks like I am gonna need to end up using this. Oh great, there's tons of dirt. Okay, wait, I'm not sure if I have enough magma for this. I think I'll just end it right here. And I just realized for this one, since it's spiders, I'm gonna need a few slabs. I would make this off camera, but I thought this would also be a good time if y'all wanted to see how to make this. Considering that's probably all the space that we're gonna need, let's just make a little bit more space for the rest of the stuff. Well, let's just make it 1 block higher just so then we get a little bit more space. So they're dropping there. Then if wondering why I'm not worried about it getting dark, it's because I know that once I start doing this, they'll end up spawning on the things. Let's get this back. I know they'll end up spawning on the cobble once I take the torches away. So, and then I can just use the torches from this back there. Okay, so now that I got this, all I have to do is make an entrance and exit from here. So this part will have to be taken, so I won't be able to do it right there. Let's just do it like right here. This produces a little bit of light for now anyways. Okay, so now that we got that, take away nothing yet, actually. Let's do that. Then we just need slabs under there. You know what? Oh, so we're gonna run back up to the house. If I can remember which way the house is. So I remember walking this up from down here. And then go up here. Of course, there's a creeper right there. Okay, gunpowder. Because we might need some TNT for going mining in the nether for some netherite. There's coal over there, I'm not gonna pick that up. Probably shouldn't keep that open. So now I just need to make some slabs. And now I just need to make some hoppers with some iron. Wait, so there's 5 slots. I'm gonna need 6. So I'm gonna need 6 hoppers. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 pieces of iron. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm not making a sword out of that last bit of diamonds, it's because I'm gonna make a enchantment table. Now I need to make... wait, do I have a lot of wood? Yes, I do. Okay. Let's make some chests. Some more hoppers. So there's exactly 6. Use up all the iron. There's all that. So now let's go back down there. Wait. Still need this chest. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then let's get 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, that's just equal 24. 3 chests. Now, let's go back down and finish this thing. Oh wait, I just realized I'm not gonna be able to use all these. Well, I will be able to, but like in the future, if I want to get more of them, then I'm gonna need to do something else added to it. Wait, wrong way. I should probably label which way goes where. I forgot, can't go this way. Probably should have brought some torches too, but just in case, that's what I was saying. Let's break this one, and let's put a double chest thing here. 2 square hole. Of course, there's something under there. But for now, let's put this one thing there. There's double chest. Hopper, hopper, connect, 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 connect. Not just to make sure test. Yep. Now, no, this won't be able to work with 2 chests for now. But all we have to do now is go back over here. This is the dangerous part now. Hey, this water isn't meant to kill me. Do that there so then they can't climb up there. Oh, yep, forgot the slabs. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Bro, let's get these torches. There. Yep, and we're getting string. Die. Wait, put the slabs in the wrong place. Let's see if this one works. Yep, that works. And then we block this part off. And we just made that actually. I was actually kind of down on myself near the end there. And now if I wanted to, I could just go AFK right here. And then just get a tons of string. But I'm not going to do that, because that will be boring. But now that we did that, I am gonna go, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.